The winter or December solstice has passed. In astrotheology, the sun has been reborn and has entered the sign of Capricorn, the time when the cold is at its maximum. The planet Saturn rules here, the planet that is known for being cold. Even though the sun has been reborn, it will be a while before it gains enough strength to bring back the heat. For me, this is probably the least busy time of year, at least as far as the outdoors go. My in-ground figs are covered. My potted figs are in winter storage. Most trees and plants are dormant, and there is not much to do that can't wait until it warms up. After the snow melts a little, you can see the beautiful bluish-green rye, and next to it the einkorn wheat, both waiting for the warmth to continue growing. And same for the modern wheat. On the left side, the soft-neck garlic that came up last month doesn't look good. Hopefully it recovers. On the right side, the hardneck garlic has sprouted above ground. It seems too early, but it has came up this early before and worked out. There are some really cold days in the forecast. Let's check my heated fig box. It currently shows around 50 degrees Fahrenheit in the box, but there are temperatures in the forecast as low as 0 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, too cold for above ground growth. It is set on 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Looks good. Even though it is cold, I still like to venture outdoors. It is said that the sign Capricorn is named after the goat, because the goat is a cold and dry animal. And so far, this winter has been a kind of dry cold. During this time of year, we are reminded of the importance of endurance and mastery. Just like the plant and animal life that survived during this cold time, we must learn to endure, to master the challenges that we are presented with. By learning to overcome, we are continuing to grow. After all, if there were no obstacles to overcome, no problems to fix, no better times to enjoy, then what will be left to experience? If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments, and thanks for watching.